I invite now on the stage Ives Teixeira Domingues, the manager of ESG of Durios Corp. He has a degree in veterinary medicine. He has been working for 22 years in cattle raising. He's going to share with us the practical case of Durios in the advancements of ESG with the use of technology. Welcome to our event. A round of applause, please.
Boa tarde, pessoal.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Eu estava assistindo essas primeiras palestras antes da minha palestra aqui.
I was watching the first talk before mine, and I remembered a concept that I heard 5 years ago, and this concept applies really well at this moment, which is the VUCA concept, VUCA, from the 90s, which means volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. So we live in an environment that's volatile, there's a lot of uncertainty, which is complex, and there's a lot of ambiguity. It's not because of the war. I've been working in the leather sector for 5 years, that's not much, but I believe that Durley and other companies of the sector know that the leather sector was always in this VUCA environment. There's always so many new inventions and raw material issues and demands from the market for a product that is worth less than 1% of the carcass, and all of the sustainability and governance demands that we face. So we have to learn how to deal with this VUCA environment. And I come here to bring a little bit of our experience in the ESG sector and how the use of technology, as Rafael said, how we can use them. But for that, we need to understand our issues, what are the challenges in our process, so we can implement the solutions. And always, we need to be connected to the business. And from that moment on, which technology tools or AI or other tools we can use to face those issues with a clear goal of being more efficient and higher gains at the end of the day. All kinds of gains and revenue and profits that you need. And Durley is an excellent example of that. It's a family business. It's been around for 65 years. Volney is one of the CEOs. And when we were chatting that when Durley began in Erechim at their dad's home with the sewing machine, sewing the leather shoe, after 65 years with all of this history, how Durley is nowadays operating in Brazil, Paraguay, and Mexico with 9 units. All of the NetBlue units with certification, LWG certification, the main one of the sector, and the gold category, and the Crest unit having 9001 ISO and ATF certification, which is the main quality certification for the automotive leather sector, which is already implemented in our joint venture in Mexico and also being implemented in other units. So besides all the certification, how a company in 65 years reaches an operational level that is so good and with such high quality, always looking ahead of its time, and to look ahead of its time, as VUCA says, you have to be agile, you have to be resilient, and you have to look for the solutions that are out in the market. So when we were invited to talk about these advances in ESG, the first thing was to talk
Porque
to the
todo
team,
trabalho em ESG
because all of
e
the ESG
tecnologia
work
tem que ser
on
trabalho
technology
multidisciplinar.
has to be a
Então,
multidisciplinary
falando com
work.
meu colega de TI, né, que é o Mauro, o gerente de TI,
So talking to my
conversando com os
IT
parceiros de
colleague
tecnologia,
Mauro, who is a
para poder
manager,
entender e qual
talking with
exemplo a
our
gente pode
technology
trazer, que a gente
partners
traz
to
todos
be able to
esses
bring the
elementos
examples
para tentar demonstrar
here
pouco.
to try to
Primeiro,
show a bit
como é o DNA da Duli e como é que a
what
gente vem
is
enfrentando
Durley's
alguns
DNA
desafios.
and how we have been facing challenges.
E daí, também vendo as palestras de hoje, a gente
Watching
começa a
the
ver,
talk, listen to the
ok, eu
talks today,
passei, a
we
Duli
start
passou
seeing
pela indústria
and
3.0,
thinking, oh, Durley
que
went
era como
through
é que
the
você
3.0
evolui daqueles
industry.
trabalhos
Is
manuais
how you
para
evolve or
automação.
progress from
E
manual labor
depois,
to
indústria
automation. After
4.0, como
that
é que você
came Industry
começa realmente a tentar
4.0
integrar essa
and,
automação
and
e
how
essas
to integrate
ferramentas,
automation
esses
in these
equipamentos. A gente
tools
tem
and
essa
these
feira que
equipment. We have
todos
this
os anos
fair
trazendo
here every
novidades em
year bringing
automação e integração de
novelties and
ferramentas,
automation and integration of tools,
ERP, que muitas
ERP,
empresas, como é que
that
foi essa
many
evolução de realmente
companies
ter essa gestão integrada
how
dos seus
they
negócios,
evolved integrating the
Codes,
management of their business with
API,
QR
que vários
codes,
colegas falaram, né?
API.
Como é
Many
que eu
colleagues
nem
talked about it.
entendia, sabia que
I
era API
didn't
antes dessa
understand
iniciativa
what
que for
API
apresentar para
was
vocês.
before.
Blockchain, o que é o
Blockchain,
tal do
what
blockchain?
is blockchain actually?
NFTs, algoritmos,
NFTs,
os prompts,
algorithms, the
como é que a gente aprende
prompt,
a pedir,
how we
né, para
learn
a
to
IA fazer as
ask
coisas,
AI to do
e
things
mesmo
for
a
us,
revolução da IA que a gente já escutou
and
hoje,
the AI
e como é
revolution
que
that we
isso
heard
conversa
today,
com
and
essas
how
três letrinhas,
do we
que é
talk
o
to
E,
the
o S e
three
o G,
letters,
né,
which is
que em português seria o
ESG.
A, ESG,
In
ambiental,
Portuguese
social e
would
governança,
be ASG,
e como é
environment,
que a gente
social, and
usa para as
governance, and
nossas
how
estratégias de
we use
ESG toda essa tecnologia,
for our
instrumentos para
ESG
poder
strategies, all this
tornar o nosso
technology
trabalho
as a
mais
tool to make our
eficiente,
work more
mais
efficient,
rápido, mais
quicker,
seguro,
and safer,
principalmente na gestão interna na
mainly in the
resposta para
internal
clientes.
management and our
E
answer
daí eu sei
to the
que
client.
a gente continua mesmo no hype quanto a isso.
And we're still
E qual é o
hyped up
exemplo que a gente escolheu? A
with
nossa
all of this.
iniciativa
What example
de
did we choose?
rastreabilidade total.
We chose
O que é essa iniciativa de
total
rastreabilidade total? Quando eu cheguei na
trackability
Duli, há 5
initiative.
anos atrás, a gente tinha
5
grande
years ago,
desafio.
when I
Quais
arrived
eram
at
as
Durley,
nossas
we
dores?
had a
Para
challenge.
cada
We had
pedido de cliente,
the issue of
eu tinha
each
que
of the
montar
orders of the client.
certificado,
I had to establish a
uma declaração
certificate,
de
a
rastreabilidade de
declaration of
matéria-prima
traceability of
para
raw
aqueles
material
pedidos de ArtBlue que estavam
for
indo para os clientes.
those wet
É uma
blue
lista que tem o
orders.
nome do cliente,
So
é
there
uma
would be a
lista de
list with the name of
frigoríficos,
the
uma lista de
client,
fazendas por
the
frigorífico que
farm
originaram
list,
aqueles couros.
and all
A
of
gente
that.
ainda depois de 4, 5 anos,
That
muito do
generated those
trabalho
codes.
ainda,
After
costumo
4
dizer
or
que é
5
manual,
years,
porque a gente
a
pode
lot of the
demorar a
work
partir de um invoice
is
de 3
still
dias a 15
manual
dias,
because
dependendo da
after an invoice, it
complexidade
can
das
take 3
informações,
to 15
para gerar
days,
esse arquivo que
depending
vai
on the
junto com os
complexity of
documentos
the
comerciais
information
dessa carga.
to generate
Então, a
the
primeira coisa, a gente
file
tinha
that
uma
goes
dor que
along with the
era
load.
como é que a gente
So
vai
we had the issue of how
integrar
we were
as
going to
informações de
integrate
rastreabilidade. A gente
the
vai precisar
information
desenvolver
of
modelo ou trazer a nossa
trackability. We
TI,
needed to develop a
parceiros de
model, bring
tecnologia,
our
para
IT
poder ter
guys
banco de
and
dados e
technology
integrar
partners to
informações
be
de
able to have
rastreabilidade.
a data bank
Outra
for
dor
that.
e aprendizado nesse
Other
período.
issues
Todo
that we
mundo que
had
vivencia o couro sabe que
during
o couro
this
trabalha
period.
com
If you
rastreabilidade, com a
work with
marcação física
leather,
do
you
couro
know that we
há
need
muitos anos. E é
traceability
baseado
and
principalmente na
the leather
marcação com martelo
stamping, and this
pneumático.
has been going on for a long
Logo depois
time.
de equipamento
We use a
chamado
pneumatic
descarnadeira, ainda com couro em
equipment
pelo.
for that. And then
E essa marcação a gente
the
sabe que, no
stamping,
final das contas,
we
se
know
você
that at
quer
the end of the
garantir
day,
realmente
if you want to
credibilidade numa
ensure
rastreabilidade de
credibility in
origem
the
desses
traceability
couros
of the
quando chega no
origin
cliente,
of
esses
this
carimbos
leather
chegam com problema
reaching
muitas
the
vezes de
client,
visibilidade, de
sometimes
leitura.
the stamp,
E
you
esses
cannot see
problemas eram
them
uma
well,
outra dor que a gente tinha que
they
tentar
get
trabalhar.
erased, so this is
Então,
something we
desde o
have
início do
to
trabalho, a gente
fix.
tentou buscar
So since
também
the
uma outra
beginning of the
dor,
work,
que
we were
mecanismo ou
trying to
tecnologia
find a
poderia
solution
melhorar essa qualidade
or
de marcação
find
do couro.
some technology that
E
would
daí a gente
improve
chegou
the
no exemplo
leather
do laser.
stamping. And then we
Mas aqui,
found
vendo
the
colegas, né, a
possibility
GEF,
of using a
tecnologia de
laser
perfuração de QR Codes. Tem uma outra
and
indústria
QR
australiana que a gente procurou,
code
que também
generation,
trabalha
and we
com
also
facas,
work
né?
with
Inclusive
an
garantem
Australian industry
rastreabilidade
that works with
da flor, que é a
knives,
parte de cima do couro, e também da raspa. Só
also
que
creating
sempre olhando para o
traceability
negócio
or
com custo-benefício e
trackability
qualidade que a gente
of the
precisava.
top layer or bottom layer
E a
of the
gente
leather.
precisava, falando de
And
rastreabilidade, de
talking
integridade
about
de informação.
trackability, we
A
also
gente não
need
pode
the
passar
integrity of
exemplo, lidar com
information.
dados sensíveis como dados de produtores,
For example,
sem ter uma
sensible data,
integridade,
data
garantir a
of the
integridade e
farmer.
imutabilidade dessas
We
informações.
needed to
Então,
take care of all of that. So another issue was integrity. We started looking for a solution. And then we had other demands from clients that came up. People saying that they didn't just want the trackability of the farm that sent it to the meat processing, and then so they wanted to have all of the information all of the way. The farm. So we look for a solution in technology and innovation for that. And then we had a barrier. We had to evolve from automation and connectivity from Industry 4.0. And some leather sectors still face the 3.0. Industry 3.0 going to the 4.0. And in our case, we have to leave from 4.0 forward, ensuring trackability, decentralized data, ensuring safety, and the immutability of the information. And then I started hearing about blockchain, this chain of boxes. And we worked with a multidisciplinary team, IT guys, and we identified technology partners that could help us out in this challenge, and certification that could also ensure that we would get what we needed. So we have ECOS 3. This is a partner that we have that's really important. And in this initiative, we needed to choose a place. We chose the Pará States because they were very advanced in terms of connecting compliance and trackability, which is the criteria of checking if there was child labor, deforestation, and so on. So after being certified by a third party, we went towards a transition and where our trackability was individualized, integrated in the blockchain environment. And for that, we have a certification protocol, which is a PRIM protocol for traceability, which was launched by Fluence and FP7 based on an official numbering. So, as in the picture in the middle, and the third part ensured the environmental aspect and the movement of the certified animals until they reach the meat processing plant. So the bovine get an individual passport that's in the data bank of the government. And then we thought, how are we going to connect the number on the earring of the cattle with the leather and its unique marking? And it depended on our experience at Durley's and the visit to the meat processing plants. We identified that there was a technology, a procedure in the meat processing plant, which is this tag used to mark carcasses and to be able to trace them inside the meat processing plant. So we understood that we could use this tag to create a tag for the leather, a leather tag applied on the leather before it's leaving the meat processing plant, so we can connect things and have integrity and it be auditable. And within this QR code, all of the information, trackability that we need based on the ERP system of the meat processing plant. This is another technology. Since we don't own the meat processing plant that supply us, we need to negotiate to have access to the information, improvement of efficiency of the ERP system in each one of the meat processing plants that supplier. So this is one aspect that was difficult. So we generated the information, we have the information on the tech. The next technological challenge is how to capture the information and integrate it in our API system, the system of the tannery, and register that as a physical stamping on the leather that the clients can have access to that visually. And I'm going to explain how we ensure this trackability in our whole process. Here's a video. The first operator removes the tag, reads it in a supermarket reading equipment. This information goes via ERP. It creates 8-digit alphanumerical codes, and which is marked by our second operator with the laser machine. That's another complexity. We need to insert the technology without causing issues in the flow of the work. So with all of this being said, we have to work with 8 hides per minute. So what's the distance of the laser from the hide, the power of the laser, the number of digits that we could put in there? We had to do it on both sides in case the hide is cut into 2. So it's the supermarket reader. So it's an existing automations applied as a solution. And the result, after almost a year or 2 years testing the best laser equipment to be able to generate the markings or the stamp on both sides, and that would ensure quality after the tanning process. So we have a camera, because if you don't know the process, rawhide goes through the process of dehairing and goes through the canning process, and on the other side it comes out as a wet blue leather, and it comes out with those 8 numbers on both sides. We had a camera that was capable that in the first machine, the SAMI machine, where it measures the leather and grades it, was it able to read these numbers? No, we didn't have that. So the solution, we thought of a QR code on in the wet blue that could make it easier when it goes through the SAMI machine or the grading area. So we use a machine like a supermarket machine that could be able to read this, and we were able to integrate our system. So we started testing a QR code on the wet blue. Because now without the hair, it's easier to generate this stamp in a faster way. Here in this operation, we have the first operator that holds the blue so that the algorithm can read the next number, which ends with 5. And the second operator applies the QR code. And we are capable in the next trackability phases to be able to connect these integrated information in the system. But as I said, all of the technological solutions have to be connected to the business. So the moment we generated, and we generated based on the clients that wanted hide and leather with total trackability, Durley went ahead and did it. We donated many hides in the state of Pará to test this. From the first step, where we read the tag, and we needed 2 operators. So we had a new structure put in place before the deflashing machine. And if you have the QR code, a new platform between the coming out from the height from the wet slough until the SAMI machine. So we needed 2 operators to be able to do that. And when we look at our human resources spreadsheet, think that we are investing all of this in technology, and we need 4 more people in
Então, a gente tem que
operation.
averiguar o quanto esse
We have
investimento traz custo-benefício para a
to
empresa.
check the
Então, por isso que a gente
benefit
continua em
in
teste,
terms of
mas a gente está olhando
cost
para
for the
outras
company.
soluções.
So
E
we
aqui vi o
continue
colega
testing,
apresentando, né? A gente também está
but we
avançando
are
e
looking
testando
at other
sistemas
solutions as
de
well. We are
classificação, de grading
testing,
de couro automático.
grading,
Como
leather
usa uma
grading
câmera
automatic
com
system.
inteligência
Since it
artificial,
uses
talvez essa câmera
AI
que faça a
camera,
classificação
maybe
consiga
this
ler
camera that does the
os
grading,
8 dígitos
maybe
marcados
it
na
can
primeira
read the
etapa do
8
laser.
numbers in the
Então,
first
aqueles
step of
dois
the laser. So
funcionários e
those
o QR
two
Code no
workers
Blue
and the
talvez
QR
não
code in
precise mais.
the blue face
Mas são as
might
dores
not be
e os testes para
needed
poder
anymore. But these are the
avançar
issues and all the testing that we
naquilo
had
que a
to
gente
do
quer
to be able
resolver.
to advance and solve
Só que a
what is
gente
to
tem as
solve.
informações, gera as informações,
But
tem
we
banco
have the
de dados, mas qual
information,
que é
we
uma
have the data
maneira
bank.
que a gente vai conseguir,
But how
além de ter
can
uma
we,
imutabilidade dos dados, que o nosso
besides
cliente tenha
having
acesso, pelo menos
the
visual, a essas informações,
unmutability
e
of the
futuramente
data
ter
where our
acesso também
client
à
has
rastreabilidade
access
completa.
to this data
Então, esse mesmo
and
parceiro que
has
é a Ecotrace
complete
nos ajudou a desenvolver a
trackability
plataforma
of it. So
Durli Unicode.
we have this Durli
E
Unicode
aqui eu vou passar um
platform that
videozinho
was
rápido que
developed
vai
with our
mostrar o exercício para
partner.
vocês, mas nada mais é que nesse momento,
Eh,
numa versão beta, o
We're
cliente
at the
recebe
beta
junto com o
version
invoice
now.
comercial
The
uma lista dos
client
códigos
will
individuais
receive,
que
along with the
compuseram aquela
commercial
caixa dele
invoice,
por
all of the
bytes.
codes of the
O
batch,
cliente
of
ele
the
tem que vir
load.
aqui,
The client has to come
inserir o
here
código Unicode na
and
plataforma
type in the
e
Unicode
clica OK.
code, click
E
OK,
daí ele vai ter o
and
caminho
then he's
todo
going
que
to have
aquele
the whole
couro
path
único
that
percorreu.
single
Clica na
leather
primeira fazenda que é de nascimento, tem análise
went
socioambiental e o
through.
certificado de
So we
análise
have this
e que está em
environmental
conformidade. Dessa
certification, if it's
fazenda, a certificadora
compliant,
garante que
the
ela foi para a
farms,
fazenda seguinte, que é de
all of the
recria,
information of
com
all
as
the
mesmas
farm.
informações,
You have all the
até a
information here
fazenda direta que
until the
entrega
direct
o
farm
gado
that
ou
deliver
esse
the
boi
cattle
especificamente
or this
para o
animal
frigorífico.
specifically to the meat
E a
processing
gente
plant.
tem qual que é a
And we
localização
have
geográfica
the
desse frigorífico
geographical location of
e
the
em
meat
qual
processing plant
unidade de curtume nossa esse couro foi
and the
processado,
tanning,
né?
the
E
tannery
daí a gente vai
units
evoluir,
where it was
tem
processed.
trabalhado nisso para que nessa plataforma
And
cada
we're working
cliente
so
tenha
that
seu usuário e
each
senha
client will
e
have their
consiga acessar
user
também pelo número da
and their
invoice.
password,
Então,
and they
além de
can also have
consultar por
access to
código
it
único,
using the
também o número da
invoice
invoice.
number. They have their own
Para
code,
poder,
their
não
own
adianta
password,
ter as
and it's
informações,
on
ter
the
toda a
invoice.
credibilidade, e
But
daí
no use having
com
all of the
login e senha, aquele
information
cliente consegue enxergar
where
os couros que chegaram para ele.
with all having the
Indo além,
login and the passwords,
né?
the sign
Falando
can
de ESG,
know
de
everything
ambiental,
about all
social e
of the leathers
governança,
that he has acquired.
não adianta nada a gente desenvolver tecnologia,
So
avançar,
there's no
buscar
use
soluções se a gente
developing
não reporta isso
technology,
para o mercado e para os
seeking solution if we
atores-chave, para
don't
os
report
stakeholders.
that to the
Então
stakeholders
também
in the
foi um
market.
aprendizado para nós.
So we
Lançamos
learned
o nosso
also a
relatório
lot
de ESG
and
de
we launched
sustentabilidade
the
ano passado.
sustainability ESG report
Ficou
last
um
year.
relatório robusto
It
e
was
todo esse
it's a
aprendizado, essa
robust
jornada
report
ESG,
with
mas
all
tem
of the
muito do que se fazer.
learning, all of ESG,
E como é que a gente está indo além
but there's
disso?
still a lot to do.
Então,
And how are we
além
going
das
beyond?
coisas conectadas com
Besides all of
rastreabilidade,
the things
que sim,
connected to
avançar para a
trackability.
melhoria e
And
adaptação da
yes, was
rastreabilidade
advanced
interna, seja por QR
towards
Code ou por outras
improvements
formas,
and internal
todo o uso de
traceability
tecnologia
through
para
QR code
classificação,
or
grading de
other
couros,
ways,
e fora,
and
a
all
gente
the
não olha para trás, o
technology
quanto que o setor do couro evoluiu.
to
O Ricardo
grade
falou
the
hoje
leather.
pela manhã
But
pelos
besides all
sistemas
that,
de
we have to
reutilização,
look at
seja de água
how
do
the
canudo,
leather
seja de água de
industry
cromo.
has
O quanto reduziu o
evolved
consumo de água
all of
e até de economia nos usos
consumption of
químicos.
water
E
reduction, the
continua
reduction
evoluindo.
of
Quantos estudos
chemicals
com
in the process,
zeolita e outras formas de
and
curtimento.
all of the studies
Tudo
with
isso é
diorite
tecnologia.
and different ways
E
of
trazendo
tanning,
pouco do exemplo, né, da IA
and
em que
bringing the
fase que eu tô, né,
example
até
of
a gente vai
AI
falar com
and
o
which
Rafael, tô
phase
naquela
I am
fase
at.
1, porque agora
I'm
na
in
revisão da
that
nossa
phase
política de
1
compra responsável
because
e qualidade do
reviewing
couro e dos
our
anexos,
the
eu pedi
policy
ajuda
of
do
the
estagiário.
quality
Então ele agiliza o
of
trabalho.
our product. So
Só
I
que a gente
asked
tem que
AI to help me with that
estar atento naquilo, como a gente vai
as
pedir
an
e realmente você
intern.
vai entregar o
But
trabalho
we
com
have to
qualidade.
focus on how we are
Uma outra
prompting all
coisa
of
muito
this.
importante, as
Something else
parcerias, além do
really
trabalho em
important,
equipe
the
multidisciplinar.
partnership
Acabamos
and
de
the
fechar termo de cooperação
multidisciplinary
com a Embrapa
teamwork. We
Pecuária
just
Sul,
finished a deal with
estão
Embrapa
desenvolvendo uma calculadora
in the
para
south,
emissões de
where they
carbono,
are
pegaram
developing a
carbono do cacau e do
calculator
couro,
for the carbon
e nos
footprint
convidaram como parceiros
for
para
the
poder
leather
testar
industry, and they
e
invited us as
desenvolver essa
partners
calculadora de
to
emissões.
test this
Mas isso
emission
nunca
calculator.
desconectado do resto da
But we,
estratégia
besides
ESG
this, we have
e
to
da
always
rastreabilidade.
focus on the rest of the
E
ESG
eu acho que uma
strategies
mensagem
and
bem interessante de
trackability.
falar, que até me
And this is
perguntaram, é
very
que
important
eu
to
também acho
say.
que a inteligência
I think
artificial
AI
não vai substituir o
will
trabalho
not
humano. A
replace
gente tem
human
que
work.
entender, sim,
We have to
como usar essa
understand how
ferramenta
to use this tool,
para, como ele falou,
as he said,
tornar o nosso trabalho
to
mais
make our
ágil,
work more
mais completo,
agile,
mas não
complete,
deixando usar
but
esse tipo de ferramenta como uma muleta de preguiça.
not using
Não, eu tô
this
com preguiça de
tool
pensar,
because
Luiz,
we're
escreve para mim.
lazy, we don't want
E
to
que está
think,
desconectado do que é o
which
DNA da
is
empresa, do que é
not
a visão da
connected to the
empresa e do
DNA
negócio.
of the company, the
Então, esse é uma
vision of
grande
the company,
mensagem, é
and
um
the
pequeno
business.
exemplo.
So this is the important
A gente está há
message and a
5 anos
small
nessa
example.
jornada
We've been for
e não
5 years now
aprendeu nem
on this
10% do
journey,
que
on this
precisa
path,
aprender
and we haven't
e
learned
sempre olhando para custo-benefício e
much.
eficiência.
We've only learned
Não
up to
adianta a gente
10%,
querer
I think,
implementar
of
uma
what we can
tecnologia
learn. Always focusing
maravilhosa
on
se não está desconectada do
benefit,
negócio, isso vai gerar
efficiency, and
custo
cost.
muito alto e depois, a hora que cruza com os
So
valores
it's
que você está
very
vendendo do teu
important.
produto,
Uh,
não cobre os
we
investimentos.
have to always be able to cover all of the investment.
Porque, é como eu falei, lá atrás
As
a
I
gente
said,
investiu,
in the
correu,
past, we
porque os clientes
invested,
falaram,
we
nós
hurried
queremos
because the
couro
client said they
livre de
wanted
desmatamento e com rastreabilidade
leather that's
completa.
free from
E com
deforestation with
produto, eu
total
volto a dizer, que vale
trackability
1% do valor
and
da
with a
carcaça,
product
a
that's
gente
only
tem que
worth
chegar num frigorífico
1%
fornecedor
of the
e
carcass. We
falar,
have to
agora você
reach
tem que etiquetar
the
um couro,
meat
agora eu
processing
preciso que você
plant.
coloque uma
We have to
impressora
ask them
zebra
that they need to
na saída
to
e antes do rolete,
identify
onde é
the
removido o couro.
leather,
Você tem que fazer adaptações
and
no
we
seu
tell them
sistema
that they
de
have to
ERP.
adapt their ERP system.
Como a gente tem anos de
So
relacionamento com os nossos fornecedores,
we've been
frigoríficos, é
in a
mais fácil.
relationship with our meat
Mas ele pode
processing
olhar na sua
suppliers
cara
for
e
a
falar,
long
não vou fazer.
time. It's easier. But
E é claro que
a,
tem
a,
regiões
a
como
supplier could
Pará,
say, no, I'm
Tocantins,
not going to
Mato
do
Grosso,
that.
onde tem uma
And there are
exigência do Ministério
regions
Público Federal
in the
para que ele
extreme north of
rastreie a sua
Brazil,
origem de gado.
and
Então
that
isso
is
facilita o nosso
demanded
trabalho.
by the
Mas tem
government
outras
that
regiões como Mato Grosso do
that the
Sul e
meat
Bahia
processing
que não
plant
tem uma exigência legal.
track
Então é
the
muito um trabalho também
all
de
of this.
vender
So
essa
there's a
melhoria de
lot of work also
eficiência e um
to try to
posicionamento
sell this idea
pré-competitivo
and
para essas
also
empresas.
to be
E a gente tem tido
positioned
bom sucesso
in
nisso.
a free
Então,
competitive
obrigado,
way
espero
along
ter
with these
passado
companies.
pouquinho e depois estou à disposição
Thank
para
you very
perguntas.
much. If you have any questions, you can ask me afterwards.
Muito
Thank you,
obrigada,
Evans.
Ivens. É
It's
sempre muito
always
bom a gente poder
wonderful to
acompanhar
listen
exemplos
to
práticos de
practical
empresas
examples of
que são
companies that
referência
are
para
a
a produção de
benchmark
louros
in
no
leather
Brasil.
production,
E essa é
something that
inclusive
we
uma
take
marca e
seriously
propósito
here
aqui
in
do nosso
our
fórum.
forum.